exactly what I expected.
I'll say.
Look at them. They act like they've been friends forever.
Maybe it's because they're both horned dinosaurs?
I bet it was chasing those cows because it thought they were dinosaurs too.
Could be. He's not that much bigger than them. Huh? What's going on? Chomp, you've got a thorn in your paw. Hold still, pal. I'll get that out for you. Now he's back to his old self again.
The thorn caused all those problems?
Look, he's even got his appetite back.
Look at that!
I'm glad, but it was in his paw. Why would something like that make him stop eating?
I'm not sure. Maybe it hit a nerve that affected his appetite?
Huh? Do you really think that could happen? Maybe I could start a new diet craze.
I don't know, I just made that up.
Hey! Check it out! It's the beach!
I love it here!
Yeah, me too.
Time to put on my swimsuit!
Hey, hold on.
What's the matter?
Something's going on. We haven't run into the Alpha Gang yet.
Yeah, you're right. They never showed up, so I forgot about them.
Hello? Are you out there, old lady? Ah!
I'm not an old lady!
Good. That pretty much confirms that they're not here. If they were, we would have heard that screech of hers a mile away.
Well, if there's no Alpha Gang around, I think it's time for a little surfing fun in the sun, Hawaiian style!
That's it? You're just going to stay there like some old beach bum?
Yeah, it's strictly science, Dad, because Chomp made friends with this Styracosaurus, and we're gonna study them playing together.
And to do that, you need a surfboard?
Oh, this? It's a nice one, huh? Anyway, I gotta go catch a wave. Bye! Aloha!
Wait! Hold on! I don't think he's studying anything but the surf report. So not fair.
As long as they return with the dinosaur card, then I don't see the problem.
Yeah, right. But I've never been to a luau.
Just what I needed. Now this is Hawaii, not cattle.
Surfing is really fun, Zoe.
Yeah, you ought to give it a try. You're the one so determined to do Hawaiian stuff.
Yeah, I know. And that's exactly what I'm doing now. Lounging Hawaiian style.
Look at the two of them. You know, I think Styracosaurus really just wanted to have a friend.
Chomp's pretty happy about that.
Yeah. Check him out. It's almost like Styracosaurus is his long-lost cousin or something. One thing's for sure. He's gonna want us to bring his new friend back home with us.
Of course.
Go in with her, Ace! Oh no, he's afraid.
Look, guys!
Spinosaurus and T-Rex.
I heard what you three little runts said about me, and now I'm gonna get my revenge!
Somehow Ursula's revenge always means more work for us.
And more bruises.
Will you two quit your whining? We're the Alpha Gang who strikes fear in others, so start striking fear! Besides, if we don't bring back a dinosaur card today, we'll be the ones getting struck!
Good point, start the attack!
Listen up, brats! We're gonna grab that Styracosaurus and send you back on your sniveling way faster than you can say Waikiki!
Wait, I just thought of something. If the boat's all balanced now, then what's gonna happen when they jump off of it?
Now you decide to grow a brain?
We gotta help the Styracosaurus.
Ready? Let's go, Chomp. Dino Slash! Triceratops, roar!
water!
That's okay, guys. We still have Paris. She can take care of him. Go! Dino Slash! Parasaurolophus Glide!
I try so hard.
Hey, look, what's Ed doing?
Somebody help me!
Oh, he doesn't know how to swim, remember?
Then perhaps you should get out there and save him! Now!
I'm not much better!
What do you know? Maybe things are looking up.
You could be right. Never mind.
Nature's blessing! Paris! Heal Styracosaurus! Paris is hit!
I've got it, Zoe. Get ready to go, Chomp. Electric charge!
Not so fast. Tail smash and neck crusher.
Electric charge! Hey, that Styracosaurus is ours!
No, it's not.
Thankfully, the tide has finally turned for us.
Kick faster! I can't wait to show Dr. Z this card and collect our reward.
I wonder what it'll be. New offices? A big fat check?
I'll just be happy if it's a big fat dinner
There's more to life than food, you know. Like money.
to buy more food.
I'm sorry, you guys. You know, if Ace wasn't so afraid to go in the ocean, then this wouldn't have happened at all.
That's not true, Rex. We're a team, and as a team, we just got beaten this time. Hey, is that what I think it is? It is!
It's the crest of thunder!
It belongs to Styracosaurus!
You're right. I bet you Styracosaurus left it behind for his friend Chomp. So now we'll have to use it the next time we go up against the Alpha Gang. And then we'll be able to rescue Styracosaurus from them.
It's beautiful here, isn't it?
Do we really have to go home?
Well. You did something right. For that, you get a reward.
That was nice, but maybe our reward could just be a big dinner?
Or cash is good. Cash could make a great reward.
Well, we could celebrate with a meal. There's a problem with that, though. It seems Helga got an electrical shock from the lightning and doesn't remember how to cook anymore. So until she snaps out of it, you three are on kitchen duty starting immediately.
What?
And now that we're talking about food, you'd better get started on dinner right away. I can eat a dinosaur!